Hello, welcome back. So today we're gonna talk about how we can actually create a certificate. Previously we talked about what type of certificate is there, even why we do need these certificates. So let us jump onto it. Currently I am now on the developer portal, and then from certificate I can click on this bluish button, and then I'm actually selecting the Apple development because I want to run the app on all the Apple devices. After continuing, it is asking me to upload a file which is named CSR. It is the certificate signing request. So now how I can actually create the certificate signing request or CSR file. It's pretty simple. We need to have the keychain access on our app. It is already been there. So we just need to open it, and then from there we will go to the certificate assistance, and then from there we will request this one, request a certificate from a certificate authority. So let's create this one. I need to use an email ID, so I am using my regular email ID. And then the common name. So yeah, I can use, like, this CSR certificate is mainly dependent on my machine and my authentication. So having my name is pretty much good thing because it will identify who is creating it. And then maybe I don't change the laptop a lot, so I don't think so there is necessary for to add the laptop name, so we can keep it there. I can just have a Raihan name, and then I can say that for which purpose this CSR file was used. So I am using it for dev purpose only. So yeah, this could be now the case. So this is only for development certificate signing request, but it can also be used for production, right? Because the CSR file is not related with dev prod or any other version. It is mainly identifying the developer and also his authenticated machine. So maybe we don't need it. Maybe we can have a client name if it is a client work, so that I can identify that this was created for this client. Even it is also fine. But for now, I think for the demo purpose, I can just let it have the Raihan CSR and probably have a date when I have done it. So it could be like 2025. That should be fine. And then I'm actually saving this one on my disk because Apple wants to wants me to upload the file. So yeah, I'm just saving it on the desk. So yep, currently just saving it on the desktop. Okay, it's done. So the purpose of keychain access is pretty much done. Now I will be uploading the file, the CSR file. So let's select our directory. I save it on the desktop. Yep, and this is the certificate signing request. Okay, so now I'm choosing it, and then I'm actually continuing it. So right now the certificate is created using that CSR file, and it has just will expire after a year. And yeah, pretty much it. So now I can actually download the certificate. So yeah, again I'm just saving it on the desktop. Okay, so now it has been saved, but it doesn't mean that it will work on our Xcode because we haven't done anything for it. So it is now just been there, but it is not installed in our Mac. So we need to install it. Once we have created our certificate, now it is time for us to install that certificate in our Mac. So how to do that? So already you have downloaded the certificate. If not, you can actually download it from here. So I already have downloaded it. So I'm just going on that directory. So double tapping on my certificate and it is installed. But there is an issue. This says that this certificate is not trusted. Wait, I created it, right? So what happens there? Still like that, there is a intermediate certificate in between me creating the certificate and to install the certificate in the Mac. So on my Mac, that intermediate certificate was not installed. Now I need to install that intermediate certificate. So where I can get it? From the Apple developer account, there is a certificate part, and when we was creating the new certificate, on that page we can actually find that intermediate certificate. So we need to scroll down at the bottom, and then we will see that there is two certificate, which is Worldwide Developer Relations Certificate Authority, and it's gonna expire like on 2030. I think it's good for me, so I'm just gonna save this certificate, and now I'm gonna just install it. So again, double tapping on that. Now this certificate been installed. We can see it is provided by the Apple Developer Relations Certificate Authority. So once it is installed, our certificate actually now is been trusted through this intermediate certificate. So that's how we actually fix it, the issue of not trusted certificate thing. So yeah, that was it. Pretty straightforward, but yet we missed that intermediate certificate part. It can happen to someone, most probably not everyone, because once I have that intermediate certificate installed on my Mac, I should not be bothered again. So yeah, and then now I can actually download my certificate and install it. It shouldn't be a problem. Even for the previous certificate or any other certificate, it can be the same. So yep, this conclude our this part of the tutorial. So stay tuned. The next thing is to creating a provisioning profile, and this provisioning profile will be used for our app to run on the physical devices. So stay tuned.